Ever had that messy moment when you are done cleaning and you are trying to empty the dust bin into the trash can? No, it is a total mess, but with this vacuum, that is a thing of the past. Let me introduce you to a new vacuum cleaner from techTongBo. Keep in mind, it has got the model number VC7233A. What really sold me is the self-cleaning feature. No more opening the dust bin and dealing with the dirt. Just place it in the docking station, flip a switch, and in 10 seconds, it's all cleaned out without getting your hand dirty. Check out the dust bin. After the station's power function is spotless. Now let's see where all the dirt goes. Open the back of the station and you will see a latch. Press it and there's a dust bag. For normal household use, you only need to change it every 2 months or so. Below that is a filter. There's even a filter inside the dust bin. With a multi-stage filtration system, it prevents dust from being kicked up during vacuuming, avoiding secondary pollution. Let's test the cleaning power of the main unit. These are included 2-in-1 brush tool, perfect for cleaning up story and furniture. The long slim nozzle is great for getting into those tight spots, tackling all sorts of cleaning challenges around the house. After use, just put it back on the station to empty the dust cup. The battery is removable, so you can plug it into the charging dock, and the base can hold other accessories, so storage is a breeze. This vacuum is all you need for your home. It saves you a ton of cleaning time and is a great value. If you are interested in techTongBo's products, get in touch with us. We've got a high-quality vacuums and accessories to meet all your needs. See you next time.